Hello guys, welcome back with me Tsao 2025. You've probably seen those viral ads. Two people from different photos suddenly move in for a hug. Today, we're not just going to replicate that, we're going to make our own, completely free, using our own AI setup with WAN 2.2 and ComfyUI. This is a simple, beginner-friendly workflow, so let's jump right into the action. First, an important note. This tutorial starts after you have the WAN 2.2 image-to-video I2V workflow running. If you don't know where to get the model or how to set up the basic workflow, check the link in the description. I won't repeat those steps here. Now let's start creating the video. We need to load our two separate source images. Since the original workflow already has one load image node, simply add a second one. Crucially, to increase the probability of success, make sure your images meet these criteria. 1. They must have identical position, like upper body only. 2. Portrait orientation, landscape will make the video strange, and usually the character will far away from border. 3. Body near the border. If the subject is far from the edge, they might hug themselves. Move to the border and the video end after 81 frame before they ever hug, or they simply make random movement. Next, we add the image stitch node from ComfyUI. We're going to join these two inputs into one wide image. Connect both load image nodes to the image stitch node. Crucially, turn on match image size. Now, connect this stitched output to a resize image v2 node. Here, we must increase the width significantly to accommodate both figures side by side. Adjust the height if necessary, but focus on widening the canvas. Now, edit your prompt. Change the original text to something clear and active like, "The two women hug each other." Optionally, I like to change my FPS to 24 for a smoother look, but the default works fine too. Also, you could adding a preview image node here for the image stitch output. Hit Q prompt and wait for the result. As you can see, the image stitch node successfully combines the two images and the AI takes over from there. Here are a bunch of examples and troubleshooting tips. If the image subjects are too far apart initially, the movement is minimal and they hardly ever work. If the images are closed, it generally works better. If it fails, try a different seed or slightly adjusting your prompt. A different position will also make it hard for the hug to happen. This technique works beautifully for both anime and realistic pictures. Sometimes the AI gets confused and one or both figures end up hugging themselves instead of the other person. That's usually a cue to adjust the starting images or try a new seed. And that's the powerful free AI method for making two people from different images hug. I processed all these results using an RTX 4060 Ti 16GB VRAM. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like, share, and comment what you created. Don't forget to subscribe to Tsao 2025. See you again on the next episode and have a nice day. Please subscribe.